Do shorter titles actually matter, and does Etsy's recommendation truly reflect an algorithmic shift? What's up, everybody? Dave here. In this video, I want to show you some evidence and some fuel for your motivation to show you that when the sociological buying factors are in place, it doesn't matter if Etsy's recommendations are being followed through or not. Buyer psychology will sell a product. If you're new here, my name is Dave. Definitely hit subscribe. And if you want hands-on help with your Etsy store, definitely book a free 10-minute call in the description below. I'll show you how I can grow your store. We'll talk about what I see in your store, and we'll go from there. Also, grab the free Etsy Ads cheat sheet. It'll help you with your Etsy ads. Let's jump into it. So I found this product using the product analysis tool on Everbee. It's a great tool to browse Etsy with. You can get the Chrome extension and you'll be able to see a lot of insights into essentially, literally every listing that you come across. So I found this listing here. You know, forgive me for the time-sensitive nature of this product, but I want to show you something that this listing is estimated to do $22,000 in the last month. Now, that was during this past month that September was statistically rough for a lot of people. And I've talked about it in previous videos, the algorithm shift, everything that has happened, a lot of people experienced a decline, right? Mainly to blame from that title recommendation. Etsy's saying to lower the character count on your titles, make it more readable, right? That is what was said to us. And whether that was true or not, what this listing did that I found with Everbee, this listing still sold because of an outside event, a trending event, if you will, and buyer psychology still took over and likely, obviously, got this listing to the front of the page. So if the buyer statistics are there, if the buyer psychology is there, this listing still popped to the front. Why am I using this listing as an example? Because the title is overly repetitive. It just says the same thing over and over and over, and it's very much what the algorithm or what the Etsy recommendations are against. So why am I showing this to you? Because I want to show you that if the buyer psychology is there, if the product choice is right enough, oftentimes, and this even goes before the Etsy recommendation, it shows that the algorithm will still respond and it will still push your product to the top. So what does that actually equate to for us right now? That actually equates to finding what is trending within our niche, making a great twist on it, making our own touch on it, and appealing to buyer psychology. And of course, doing our best in the title and tags, testing what's working, testing what's not, etc. Yes. But if the buyer psychology is there, you will sell the product, and the algorithm, even with this new shift, proven right here by this 1-month-old listing, will react to it. Guys, if you want to build your own outside store from Etsy, check out Everbee Store. You can build your own website using AI. You can import your Etsy listings or your Shopify listings. It builds you a beautiful website that you can send traffic to and that you can finally take a hold of your business. The link is in the description, and I highly recommend that you check it out. So getting back to this listing that clearly is an outlier to the idea that we have to absolutely listen to Etsy's recommendation. It's 1 month old. It did $22K in the last month, estimated by Everbee, and it has a growth rate of 3,600%. This is a great new metric that Everbee added that I really love to see, because oftentimes when you're searching through whatever tool you may be using, the numbers can be skewed because it might have done really well at once, but it's not doing well anymore, whatever it may be. And the growth rate is a great window into what's actually happening. You can change it by time based on how old it is, and that will really help you have a better window into what a listing is doing. So I just wanted to show you that interesting, case study, if you will, that this title is terrible. It's overly repetitive. However, because of the mass inflow of people coming to Etsy looking for this product, it still popped to the top. Now, is this the only shirt like this? Absolutely not. There are probably thousands of exactly this shirt out there, but this listing specifically popped through for whatever reason. We can get into in another video, but I just wanted to show that to you and to use that to your advantage. I hope you have a beautiful day. Definitely book a free call in the description below, as well as grab the free Etsy Ads cheat sheet, and I'll see you in the next one.